nearly all of July, we were dealing with high surf advisories, beach hazard statements, even coastal flood advisories. We are seeing more inviting conditions at our beaches, but I mean, the ocean is very powerful. So never turn your back on the ocean and always swim with a buddy. But really big waves can still happen even when we're dealing with the lower surf. You can see a couple people out there in the water right now in Carlsbad looking fantastic. We're seeing temperatures in the 70s again tomorrow. UV index remains high, so put the sunscreen on and remember to reapply every hour and a half to 2 hours more often if you're going in the water. Water temperatures also in the 70s. The rip current risk is low. The wave heights are lower at about 1 to 3 feet. That does not mean an occasional bigger wave or stronger rip current can't occur. It's just not as likely. Temperatures are in the 70s along our coast. Vista, Valberg, Kearney Mesa in the South Bay, and then low to mid 80s for most of our inland neighborhoods as well as in the mountains. Palomar, actually one of the warmer spots at 89 degrees, 111 to 113 in our deserts. So tonight is going to be another warm one. In fact, with this more humid air, our nights are going to be warmer. So we're not going to be getting as much relief in the overnight hours. Most of the night will be spent in the 70s, not only for the coast, but for the inland and even mountain communities. In fact, when I saw you at 11 o'clock last night, Julian was still near 80 degrees at 11 p.m. So, you know, you open the windows hoping for that cool, fresh air, you're just not going to get it. The early morning hours, we will see temperatures dropping down into the 60s for most of our inland neighborhoods, even a few coastal areas, but maybe down to about 68 degrees. So really not that much off of 70. Tomorrow, mid to upper 70s along our coastline, mostly 80s inland, just a few 90s. Escondido around 90 degrees, 85 in El Cajon as well as in Fallbrook. Julian and Campo in the 90s, up to about 111 in Ocotillo Wells. Ramona also around 90 degrees. Meanwhile, Santee at 88 degrees. Well, it didn't last long. That heat advisory for the mountains, which they actually were in an extreme heat warning, so this is a level lower than that. Well, it's back. So we're seeing a heat advisory in effect until 8 p.m. on Saturday. Highs will be anywhere from the mid 80s to low 100s. Those 80s are more for like areas like Mount Laguna and Palomar, those triple digits, or at least getting close to 100, lower elevations like Campo. And the extreme heat warning in the deserts also has been extended through Saturday night, though temperatures will be trending about 108 to 115, but these really warm nights are another big factor for why we have these heat advisories and heat warnings. Not necessarily that we're seeing these record hot temperatures, we're just not getting that relief in the overnight hours and the humidity making things feel warmer. High pressure is still just to the west of us, but it is going to be moving east, and as it does so, it's going to be pulling in some more of that monsoon moisture, making things a lot more humid. So we're generally in the 70s into next week along our coast, with a few 80s for some of the warmer spots and humid weather, and we're heading back to school for a lot of kids next week. For the inland neighborhoods, tomorrow is going to be one of the cooler days. We'll see a few more 90s for the end of the week into the weekend, and then back into the 80s next week. Meanwhile, the mountains, really not much day-to-day change as far as temperatures go. Saturday a little bit warmer, and then early next week a little bit cooler. There is a slight chance for a shower or thunderstorm over the mountains tomorrow afternoon, and the deserts. Again, that heat warning goes through Saturday. Next week, temperatures at least below 110.